Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list inside of Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through creating two different drop-downs. The first will be a drop-down with multiple choices, and the next will just be a yes or no choice. We'll start by creating a favorite color list. We first need to create the list of all the choices to select from though. At the bottom, choose the plus sign to create a new sheet. We'll call it Colors. Now inside of this sheet, list all the choices that you want to be available. Once you're finished, head back to the main sheet and enter the question that you want to appear. For instance, what's your favorite color? Now, select the next cell and then choose Data from the top menu. Inside of the Data menu, choose Data Validation. From the Allow dropdown, choose List. Next, we need to select the source. Choose the icon to the right of the empty field and then choose the color sheet at the bottom. Then select the first cell and drag to the last. Once everything is selected, hit enter. It will then input the data into the source field. When you're ready, hit OK. Now you'll see the drop-down arrow at the corner of the cell, and when you select it, you'll be able to choose from the drop-down list that we've set. Now what if we want a simple yes or no drop-down? There's a simpler way to do this instead of creating a whole new sheet. This time we'll ask, are you sure? Then choose the next cell and again Data Validation. Inside of the Allow dropdown, again choose List, but this time inside of the source field, type yes, comma, no, and then hit OK. You'll then see the new dropdown has only yes or no to choose from. And that's how you create drop-down lists inside of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.